Write an algebraic expression to represent the length of each segment shown below. So vocabulary words in the directions are we are writing, but algebraic expression, that means we're going to use those letters and those numbers. In terms, we're representing length. So I'm only going to do one of those problems, and you guys are going to do the other two on your own. So I'm going to do letter B. So leave some space. Go ahead and also pause the video and draw what you see on your paper so that you can annotate on top of it. So for problem B, I'm looking for length from beginning all the way to the end. So that's what it says, length for each representation. However, I want to rewrite it as one at a time. So what I see is 17 in terms of length, so I'm going to write 17. Now right next to is x. So if it's next to, we're going to write plus. So we have a 17 plus and then 1x. I said 1x, but I'm writing plus x. I also am noticing that I have another x. So this sum continues, so plus another x. And then I have 10 as a segment, the end of it. So I'm going to write plus 10. So what we just wrote is an algebraic expression. So let's write that down. Now this algebraic expression could be rewritten because we know that the length for x is exactly the same. So how many groups of x do we have? So that will be x plus x, so we can record it as 2x, or 2 groups of x. And also the length for the number. So we have 17 and then 10. Even though they're on each side, I can combine them. So 17 plus 10 will give me positive 27. So this will be the simplified expression. And we're calling it simplified because you're no longer allowed to add those two. But when we simplify, we combine only like terms. So combine like terms. And the like terms here were the 2 x's and the 2 numbers. And that will be it for example B. So go back and do A and C on your own.